Balafa balemu sabande frol mel ya lon ko wolle tata almale ni manen ka frake almale la jam sunen dima ko la mba flale assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa ta'ala wa barakatuh mba flale ko juma mubarak juma mubarak alma alayna na batol be timmandi inshallah. Sorry guys, alhakuboyni. Baflale ko Juma Mubarak. Manna kamejang inshallah bayring bimu arjumulati an be somandale kono. Be tembo mentu ni tembeng modolu wolu nalong Juma salo sita waliale. Bayring gambe fanan very soon Juma salo be sila. Be mol kontana mol milialon ko 11 GB kanjam watu nina rajano isna jam membe ko jera sisa nyulu membe ko na komanda bamba mas nyulu milialon ko wala mun tolla nyaron kolti na komanda fode jawla nyulu na komanda sana nyulu seku sedi li nyulu pa mane nyulu milialon ko wala mun komandalti UDP la television bonto without rending ba fode ko alnimbara Baden Gambian Kolo, Manajan Kamijan, come na Fale Yamin, come current issues, Kol Malialon ko Wolveki in Sansanting, Najako, Pru, Nyandaka Wolel Kacha, Wakamala, inshallah, Kol Malialon ko Wolve hotspot Sansanting, Pru, Sefono, Gambia Dumole, Pru, I Senia. Baflale, Gambia Dumul, New Watting, Nalbe Jibero Kekan, Albayakan, ko President Barobe Mol, Baikan, Abe Mol Takan. Lafta ka même fale don wolom nyinti ko ay bayro me kete omu commencé ro donati omu started blood donati bay na la jibe nyinte men ana la mul fonlo ala dinno ya lango katara no ma e fon be savero ke kane ko nim president botna basse e ko tumo la bayro be commencé la fon e ko na botna basse o tumo le bayro be commencé la benya jele be tembo men kono ala trade minister ayo bayle men kata la min jobti anu betembo men fanan kono ala youth and sport minister fana ayo fanan bayle men keta Hadraman Silibeti anu inna men faha molo nyindu ko anyanta ka bayro men ka anyanta ka siawo le bayre and finance minister fon bol kono le men keta Mamboure Njayti anyaaje komen nyin temben na nal hakilo bakan ordo nyin temben na nalbe korosirol ke kan Kabrae trade minister by aning youth and sport minister youth Bakar Baji Jumalem Bakar Baji di pour comme ka fale tron pour ka long Bakar Baji atemu funding ke me ya long ko ay doko kenu KMC as a councilor youth councilor time me ya long ko benu ya jembela mararo kono nun Bakar Baji nitara tariko kono ala dogo num kabra baki kanu KMC ya foko ayake ku ya foko anin funding kawle nyomo nunje bake wakamala Bakar wakola nambe Bakar na tama data munto atata United States of America abe America nyen karo dol be kering ko fo Bakar American citizenship la babulu bam fo American citizenship ba montara bulu balon ko wodia mo nyin o manjam fa baring baro administration wolu buka o ko jibe barna ya jibe Henry Gomez nyol dolu wol dol citizenship le bo dolol bulu bari e kenya di le kabri samana ye place di le ministerial position me alon ko Gambia la loi mon son ala so o dula nyin karon abuka jam faje Bakari Baji position nyin aya so nyaadi le Gambian ko lu albe alonne position nyin aya so nyaadi le person barola mansa ya be tembo me alon ko abe ko mystical care ning atara comme musico be play ka ne don ite me don no ite mari place betele ni me don no comme abe ko donal don competition olem ning it me alon ko ite don no you can able to dance you will able to have the position but don fana amanga comme julo belende e be don na prestam barlo julo la ni parde ye don la julo la o yendo ye don NPP la julo la ita mari ministerial position of bail automatically so wala tina Bakar Baji nyolu automatically they have the position me alon go dia mansia fonto automatically wol because nal nya banal hakilo Bakar num kabirin safo kabirin seru yata le sai na jele funding kew dole nyo ka fu nyoma melia longo ka fu ko team bakat baji tara no office of the president kabita je e ka futa president man nje o tembola kabi ka futa president ma je koy fananat la kila support di president la kabi o tumo la diamol keta kabin diamol keta bakat baji fonat na severol ke kamol attack bladol to ka je ko diamol bebe keri bim kulti meya lonko amantara sotarin bari bakar la numo nyo wa aya bamani jab jamal mal katandi la ko kema be kala ministre tele ano akema fela kala ministre ti anu tonyala o don ba fula la numo nyo e men kada haw baji di ba fula baraka anu ba fula bakar fone place nying alma ay place nying aya sambaku bakari gambia dungul jikite la bake buko gambia dungul ko tumala me alon ko benum as a youth council ko edo ko jamal keje so obviously beje dan na ale yakata kana song president baro la ni Mansa Kunda ye nondi bari Mansa Kunda me yalon ko ala wato bantale ni atara ite fele bi ikoni mo Mansa Kunda be do ko la se haklu de dron bayram fondin ke wala mud nyaato membe nyaato wala siyata tambita menna ni atara balu be kere inshallah so to bagari mba fele ko palaso nying alma yiro alma palaso nying ale so manta bengolaji alma ale so sutrolaji annum bedan be aladan almale sunyar tala je o kola la alnyati anatana na mleke na governor of central bank menkada bakari jambeti ayota ayo samba as minister of trade bari gambian kolu just left the drone more on yakoro siroke ne hakilo be jongo bala ale hakilo di jongo la pour que mirale ale hakilo di jongo la pour ye mira anibe mira cool mela ay ke cool mela lon ko they are positive thinking. But alhamdulillah rabbi alamin na jero to na menji na jelo ko bagari akira mud me alon ko alhamdulillah alay wisdom diala alay jeril diala ay jero ke nyaato ay nyaato jele bari nyaaye janna mol mel alon ko wolbe do ko la no parastetos wala alon ko be do ko la no Mansa Kunda la nyi doku bundal dol to mel alon ko mantara Mansa Kunda ko 100% nyaajele yo dolu bonnanje kabiye bonnanje ye samana ye samba ye ministalti kabiye ka minister ye bonnanje ye samba muntole ye samba e ko ye ke ambassador lati so bagare nalon ko ye jero kala ko inia ebe nyin silo men be ke kan e bay ko e boloto e manna bayo soto la say ko mbaruna ka ministati bare naje ko bagar kita mudi me alon ko ale bakari makoy because na menje sefero do science ten kaje ko bakari palaso ni sendele but bakari lafta tron ka fo ko to la investigation olto kabrina keski siroke nyum kolto natna jelo ko ye menke la palaso do amete la palaso ni na bakel kadu ye menke la palaso do presque mbaro teri malu ala kabudulu meli alon ko wolel mum multi meli alon ko wolel mum bi mete momento wala ka presque mbaro control wolle boita ye bois introduced to the president because bois kete multi me ya lonko abenun do ko la central bank le bois benun do ko la central bank le that's true and num ameta central bank le according to the history according to our investigation na understand na ko bois adamu multi me ya lonko abenun do ko la central bank le abenu alaji ci sala broda membanta almale neman kafra kay bois benun do ko la wala koto alaji tisala broda même banta amamme boabe do ko la wala koto kabem boabe do ko la wala koto boanat na do ko soto World Bank something like that I do ko soto wala to kabata do ko lanto ala sokon men nyim banta amursa nan kabra do ko banta wodulanta amursa nan kabra mursa nan o ko la lem inatna na ka munti ye boata ya introduced to the president. But since then, Buala main target kabana la main target was lobbying what? Abenu mundo lobby kan abe office of the abe governorship ni abola lobby kan according to our investigation. All what I'm saying I am going to say according to because we have made I know I'm not going to mantra la kan come for whatever I'm saying I believe in it 100% and we have a lot of evidences. Mele alonko no le so to kajo this position was lobby by Bua because melekada Kabiye Bua Samana ya introduced to the president. Kabiya introduced President Barrow. President Barrow na fire ko sign ba domondo mon na barin sign e borna World Bank sign system nege permanent secretary. Utumoli ya Samana ya permanent secretary under the Minister of Finance. Ya Samana ya permanent secretary under the Minister of Finance. But there is a permanent secretary me alongo abeje ka for me ada. That ada nying she's supposed to go for retirement. She's supposed to go for retirement. but niaje amanda retirement na this is what ebenyin drona badunkan ebenyin water drona badunkan because mamburan jai fongo nyanta tala la fongo mamburan jai fongo nying malo mina yatinna what is the reason why mambure bay but na fale jan nyamente mambure yanda ka bayle as soon as possible because mambure be lino kono mambure be listo kono le gamen ko nalma understand sa fale o nyama anum niaje mambure bay oronta nanyin diamole ba tinna e mambure bay so Gambian ko drone lafta drone nali kacha aliya understand mini be caring science andum mallefi membe be caring den ay adama dungul ayen kare away na ay Gambia dungul kare away drone alon ko abekala Gambia masi boledi President Barola Molu the next plan or the next target is wala kale ko mo fele me alon amam bala faso be Gambia dungul ye bari mo fele me alon ay mol so abala mol me alon ko e mang mira so Gambia bari ye kunna nafa yo la soto so wala tena janbe bola boala topic kono so boanyo la kabudu nyulu wolele President Barota what did this ye boa introduced to the president kabia introduced to the president so president onyi nanna fa ko sign be kala permanent secretary lady so inata na ke munti yake permanent secretary it was a permanent secretary but I swear that he was lobbying for the position boa was lobbying for the position so bakar la position onyi boa be no anyi kam bakele I understand Bakari wole long. Wala atina Bakari ajako. No. Because look, Bakari la tala knowledge lale. With the knowledge Bakari is having, Bakari fella resigned. For example, according to he have rejected the offer. So Bakari opposition may of reject. Right now or within weeks or months, you will hear that call. Iba Bakari Sambala on international appointment. Iba Bakari Sambala international appointment as soon as possible. Because not about this government. I know there is international organization Milano na Bakar Kamala because look now that President Barrow mol Milano will leben to la status President Barrow left a kaul befa Gambian ko left a drong na understand nyim masakunda rul Milano masakunda la nying doku bundal Milano be masakunda bal membe go social security membe go central bank membe go Gambia Post Authority membe go GPPA membe go other places Milano ko wolle blood Milano ko wolle ka masakunda makoy memba ko GRA ning president wa nyati li wol la doron alon ko say masibo felenga masibo bundala wali so boa mo multi mi alon ko president baro ya tombo ama tombo fenkama aya tombo menkama wala nyinti ko pour ga do ko kate but we have also made a lot of investigation in central bank nadina ka understand ko central bank fanan kono right now the system member ye pour mo kino ya foko abe telembale akele banko do la kodola is not possible according to but momalo because this is all everything was designed by a governor Bakar lebeje Bakar le formula in design because Bakar silata alalale Bakar silata ko yatinko if you go to the record out Bakar je ala legal sila setup Bakari mon condition ga central bank Bakari ya make sure ko he put everything right and Bakari was really Bakari the central bank about reform kan there were a lot of reforms Melialongo will look at the central bank and they have a lot of plans to make general reforms at central bank. Mo kilimbuka kodobo the central bank, mo fulabuka kodobo the central bank, mo sambuka kodobo the central bank, but mo jama balda ka kodo sign pour kodo the central bank kono. I know how it's difficult, even just a mere check, $10,000 ka the central bank for kono right now, even for them to pay you is very hard. Because the system Bakari main place in central bank. So President Barrow right now, wala mnyindiko, ikaele ko, nyulubeni na fulo le tema. So boa, ayatanako, look, I have been into this place. Nanyin dula alone, anung kodoka bo nyame nalone, these people libejele because they don't want you to do your politics. So ikaya ko wala nyindiko, the only thing you can do wala nyindiko, ibe Bakari bailale. Ni Bakar Bondije, ye Bakar Samba, ni bay wacho be siala because Bakar man fenke. Yalo ikamola bay me yalo ikoya kukele. So Bakar man fenke, aman fenke. Bakar legacy is very clean. Bakar is a very clean person and Bakar was doing his job according to the way it's supposed to be. Bakar ba do ko kekane do ko nyande kele nyamen. But the only problem was like it was like Ahmad Sane. Gambian ko lu pro alia understand. Kabring Ahmad Sane benu Minister of Finance. Ahmad was doing good in Kabring Minister of Finance. Kabring Ahmad Sane benu dokola Minister yala, abenu Finance Minister yala nu. Wotumola Ahmad be menke kan Gambian ko la benya ajele. Amadi Bonaje Femon Kumama, Momafako Amadi Fenesunya, Kumamam for Amadi Maje, because Amadi was doing his job. Amadi Doko Ke Kane Kodoko in Yanta Kelanyame. Ya Amadi Bondije, ya Mamburenja Samana Wuro Keta. So Guro Keta, Mamburenjai, Gamion Kolo, Mamburenjai, Beno Korol Sunyakang, Mamburenjai Benin Kekang, Go Mamburenjai Bonam Commissionato. So Gamion Kolo I understand. So I mean Bakari also. Bakari Benu Central Bank Nyame right now. A Central Bank reformed and he was doing many positive changes at Central Bank. So what is the reason Iba Bakari Bondlege? Because what you want in more strategy. You are not going to say that he is not performing. Bakar is performing. Every Gambian knows that Bakar is performing. Sa Gambian called Kachabe Nilato. Say lefa prunto nato le kacha. Na nyosa hakilola. Na nyola fa because mem problem oti. Go. President Barrow be banko samba ka nyame foto tonya Gambia dulu nyanta ka banko bule President Barrow bulle bang ay na banko samba wo nyama min diata te e ka fulo go carrière kuleke e ka fulo go sobida carrière fennega on non sobida carrière politico lo kono but Bakari is not a politician and Bakari madake politico kono and Bakari was actually reforming Central Bank. And Bakar have made a lot of positive change at Central Bank. And Bakar have put a ajibe sign come purukaje ko Central Bank na flow kana sunya anoje mo kana tlimbalia banku diwol la kolola Bakar a lot of policy la samana Bakar many things la samana I put in place Gambian cool nan mo sa fale. Right now come fale go mo clean mo saba mo nani mo lulu fo buka kodo bonino Central Bank kono. Because of the system Bakari men place there. Because Bakari silata alala. Bakari ya lonko. Gambian call la kodole nyim kodoti. Nyim mange jambe kunda la kodoti. Nyim mange Bakari la kodoti. Bakari ya wololo wole ya tinna. Bakari ya make sure ko Gambian call to wurla ma Central Bank kono. Sign President Barrow la mulmeli ya lonko wala kayeko. Wala kayeko. President Barrow la mulmeli ya lonko wala kayeko. I mean, Bua is somebody me ya lonko. He can play the game for you. Well, Bua can play the game for you because when Ahmad was at finance ministry, Kokodo Buka Bondino, Ahmad Buka Kodo Bondi. That's what they said. President Bono for Afonda, Konyo controlling finance minister because on Kodo Finti. Coming Ahmad Beje. I go finance minister because on Kodo Finti. I go Antawa from the caring. Finance minister because on Kodo approved for many people to travel. I be finance minister Jumal, I be Ahmad Sanella. Yeah, Ahmad Bondi finance. Kabia Amadi Bondi finance Gambian Kolu Albania aje na kodo boita Albania aje pound start to rise up, euro start to rise up, dollar start to rise up. Na bantala kodo start to sell cento Gambian Kolu. Sign Central sign finance ministry ta yotia. Sign Central Bank men fone yalonko Bakar ñol beje. If the Central Bank take make sure ko aita well, if make sure everything goes in the right way. Say na ye Bakar Bonduoto. The reform may along Bakar start ye say who is going to be there to finish it. But ye Jumale Keji, ye menkeje, wala moti me along ko. Womari you believe ko is going to dance to your tune. You believe that person is going to dance to your tune. That's why you put the person there. Because we know very well who are the people we know the people introduce. Those are your friends. Those are your friends. And we can say some of the names. Mr. Sabali, the likes of Sabali. The likes of Seni Sabali, is, look, we know everything. We know everything. Jumale Bua Samena, Jumale Bua introduce you. Near Bua Central Bank is going to play, is going to do things for you. We know all of them. We know all of them. Jumale Samana. And we know their names. Some of them are even working at the airport. We know all of them. Jumale Bua Samana can introduce here. Jumale Koye Bua ta ya put in the place. But I remember doku dunia kono alafta be dibeng. Kar Bua ya jele. Molmele alon ko wolle ya jembe bibe mi kono. So if President Barrow want to use you because of politics, alafta ke samananje pour yena na ka bankola na fulota ka diatala. Boa auto, I mean, Bafola, something happened to you also. Fena ke de la brain. So Gambian ko left alia understand wonyama. Bakari na atara because I've just seen it. I have not seen it officially, but now understand ko Bakari Jambe I ministerial position on you I reject it. Now I reject that's good. That is very good for him. Now I reject that is very good for him because menaketa ibekele minister the next thing ibe menakele ibe bayal or the next thing you have to go kasama mundo mbasamba ka ambassador yal. That is the plan for you. But that ko the likes of Manjang kan Manjang kabra ya ko ya bon social security anu aya lonko Gambian ko nu saying left and the military side ko do be jente wol fola but saying hakilo na tawala Manjang kabra ya ko ya bon social security anu aya lonko ala do ko mu jeleti a resign tele Alpha Robinson although among perform when he was doing NAWEC but I don't go a la profession quality. A la profession is about it's engineering. I resign tele Alpha Robinson. And I believe also, I did not confirm, but I believe Bakar also, this is going to be the same. Bakar Jambe. I'm not talking about Bakar Baji. Bakar Baji will take the position because Bakar was lobbying for that position. Bakar Baji been in position on your lobby and I know 100% he is going to take it. The only thing I have to do is to give him an advice. Kaja go funding jawla multi like we. Kaja go funding jawla multi like we. So but Gambia ko lumile problem multi we are ndolmu mo let milliard ko ka to der na doro. Gambian goal. Garo der no doro. President Barrow ya Jambe ya Kanyamen. President Barrow that's the way he's going to do it, and President Barrow will do it worse than ya Jambe. Couldn't move diam ka konyo ko muna bro la konyo you know that President Barrow is richer than ya Jambe kaya yes. Kaya ko I can believe that. Akonyo ya Jambe be jan sanyi mo animfula. Ya Jambe ka kodo membe sunya, ya Jambe ka kodo membe passer. Akonya ka di mo lela. Akonya ya Jambe ka kodo di mo lela. Aga konyo ala sanyi mo animfula maralo a menka jang. Aka mo so kodo lela. Akonya this man buka mo so kodo la. Ni mano ka kodo mabole. Akonya this man is not giving out money. Akonya nyimbuka mo so kodo la. Akonya nyimbuka mo so kodo la de. Akonya ya Jambe ka jina konta na mo so wuli keme saba wuli keme lulu. Akonya saka ya di mo la. Akonya but this man is not doing that. Akonya ya Jambe maralo ka jang sanyi mo animfula. Ya Jambe mam kodo mi sono sanyi mo animfula. Akonya Adama Barrow wala soto. Akonya because the problem is yeah, Jambe the first 5 years so he was not concentrating on corruption. He was concentrating on how to be, how to develop the country so that people can trust him. My brother, I trust you. Right now, this man is taking physical cars. According to physical cars letter, I am Mabo. That's what the guy told me. Akonya physical cars ninka woleta aya mabo. Physical euro, physical dollar. Ninka wole sika aya samba ya transport to other places. To go and save it. Akonya ya Jambe was having money, but ya Jambe was giving money to people. Akonya ya Jambe ka mon sokodola or tumo. Ya Jambe se mano samba like in those days. Akonya Jambe ka mon sokodola in those days. But akonya this man nyimbuka mon sokodola nyinka kodo men be muta. Akonya ka be mabole e be menke ko nyuliko and is only buying houses for himself. Abe bungul sanka faila like what? Akonya, if you go into many companies here, and land company phone, akonya there is a lot of land company meli alonko, nye keno sangol bulle. Kena jama bal, akonya nyina concentration o baby welcome. This man at a concentration is not to develop this country. That's what the guy told me. Sign. Nana be kodo men fanan di kam banko dungola alla kodo. Nana me alonko masakunda la brancho me alonko ye donos nyini banko ye makoro nyini. Ye makoro nyini o makoro fane ba di kam banko dungola. NPP mol kata loje e ko kafo ko mole ko pesen barole bal so kam kodo la. When the project kabrika o project on fo ba set up kam pesen baro fo mo fenkalam do blanto. E ka famo le ko pesen barole be mol so kam kodo la dat nafa. Gambian ko lu nyanda ka understand e ka kodo men dial alla kodo le mu alla organisation o me alon ko alla institution o me alon ko atolle ya form wala ka kodo dial amanga ko pesen barole ko kodo dial bari mina kada NPP la media mol le alon ko be yaila mol noma ba fala mol ko pesen barole ka mol so kodo la they are just misleading Gambian people. They are only misleading Gambian people. Eka kono men di mol la sata olto. Momo ndi bol sata do. Ila mol ko le afeta kodo nyin kama. Pesa mbaro man taka o kodo di. Bol sai be kodo fran di kan. Pesa mbaro la chairmanolu, pesa mbaro la for political people olu. Wolla kataje, e kataje to stand e kan lo silo kan. Ibe mol look. What is going on? I think the best thing we also have to do and try to talk to those people because if President Barola Chiamano Nala Molu will kata mol noma where the government Masakundala Molu but Kono Dika Mola the Bankudunga Diamond Kata Loje to go and hurt people. Kataka Mol hot because for morality. President Barola Chiamano can be like Odlanto. What they are doing there, if another media house went there again, for example, NPP TV Amolu, Ekatao Tamekolo, Neatara media house or Dolu, or the political party from the media house of Tarolanto, to try to ask for divergent views, what is going to happen there? Molse Bignolaje. Because there are comments they were doing there. Some of those comments saying, if I am UDP or I am APRC, comment for come. After what is going to happen? So, Banko Bidaka Nyumsilola, and we are quiet with this. It's very sad, huh? You COVID-19 never caring. Your COVID-19 regulation or some person borrow meeting. Other political parties are not doing the meetings. And we told therefore, in their press release go, yes, still, eko an kulliol mo kulliol di molkana kulliol ke. Eko molkana futu sidol ke. Gambian ko la moede. Pesa mbalo kon kana futu sidol ke. Pesa mbalo kon kana kulliol ke. Pesa mbalo kon kana gamol ke. When already and mol fele ko bita kan tuba e ko kana ta tuba di e ko di ministry ko kana ta tuba because mlekeda COVID-19. But say mol kana ta tuba because of COVID-19, but you are gathering people together. E ko mol ta fara fa le mol ganaje nyomi ale mol ganaje jara soma le mol ganaje al fele ko tangal kara mol gana in basse. Gambian ko lu nyile be kering. Masakuna me ya lonko ako mol kana kafunyokan ako mol kana kuliolke ako mol kana beolke say o masakuna fela ka mol ko development wala. So people are going to leave you doing development. In that development on you fala ko nitana je ibuka fempa banku dongole na manga political ibuka fempa banku dongole na manga teni lot. If you are not doing politics, last time go, there are regional governors. We say we are in a state of emergency. sa be state of emergency kono but that does mean ko banko la development on ñin wol mañana tala but sa ito ko banko dewle ko alsi e ko ona political party ole ko alsi ndeda mala ñata ka politiko ke kunum ñaaje molta ka UDP la flagota ka sa va bala NPP IEC be der wo ko be kan but ila media mol mel yalonko de ila brain mantaraje ila kum mantaraje kada ka quota ka put in the media you don't understand ko that is that's very wrong when the flag a flag of a very a specific political party ika wala flag ota ika other political party to save obala media kana alla media kana ko display ika display dunia ñaka oje UDP la flako ka UDP la flako ta ka NPP sa viabala what trouble is that so President Barrow try to talk to your people. Diamula Mole is very important because all these things can create trouble. You are doing politics, monumental political kika mole be daring. But anyway, being a Diamo is not going to be about politics. Diamo is more of policies. You luabu kutama me ya lonko ya fay nyamo kono. You luabu kuto nye men samana nung. Then no naba nyama governor of central bank janika bondi jefon. There is a specific commission me alonko wole nyanta. There is a specific commission me alonko wole be set up la pour que governor nyinka kiskisi fight nyar ke jeba faman nyar ke janika governor bondi ala governor position auto. But say Gambian Golu. Gambian Kolu. Gambian Kolu. Left out naturally kacha. Fona bango babula la pesa mbaro bula bang diata nyama ayaka nyama. No. Nyimbangu kilo me alongo mbala kumo fokante. Wala la sojaro li bondi Gambia la soja uniforme kono. Ye Senegal la soja uniforme dum Gambia demul be dering wo sojaro fo be dering. Gambia la uniforme ya bondi la. Ye Senegal uniforme du la. E be dering akam e kamero jongol. Nyimbangu kilo me mba kono ten wala sembo di Senegal sojaro la pour ka dum Senegal Gambia kono. Kanyabi Gambia demul kan. Ni mazakunda kilo nyine wote ni mazakunda kilo nyine wote Gambian call Diamo si ada back. So saying minister me ya lonko bimbe wala la kumo fo kam baake because wala mu kodi me ya lonko wala kumata baake na modo je wala safero ke e ko ha president Barrow e silo men walang e ko silo me ya lonko wala president Barrow winindila. Okay, we are waiting. We are waiting. Me button do ke kan. Na lafta la minister mumo be ay be bay. Ala minister be bay ay minister kutama samana. Ay be ke dindi merawolti. ay be bay ministre be bay Gambian ko yalo ne mum fere na bioto you are late ita letale Mr. President il letale Gambian ko yalo ne mine mula feroti Gambian ko yalo ne mine mula planoti Gambian ko yalo ne yela fero belo ne be membeto Mambura Njaye ba bayla na akoyta very well na lon ko ata bayle ba bayla Papa Njaye no problem Papa Njaye na lafta no problem I can minister is not a problem I can minister no I can ambassador no problem il afta ka political party la mo ke ambassador di il afta ke minister di ise ke no atla no problem that's not a problem One thing I know, I don't speculate. But something I know, according to numbers, this is the 9th minister. Me along about the APR Chile. But Gambia do left a cattle in Casa, Gambia do left a Nakacha. For Gambian Kolu Mantara Karankambang, for Gambian Kolu Mantara Dikril Sodobang. But for Gambia, they can hold ministerial position. Is it only one face? Faces can hold on one and the Gambia ministerial position on in Takamara, only one faces. But yet still, it's not a problem. Mamburanjai bay because he left a minute you go Gambian call a Uro Mamburanjai can. Say Wura say, even I will let us say Mamburanjai bay. Yeah, another person appoint Mamburanjai position auto. Pour Gambien ko sa foko sa the president be silo je kanne president mo le a filini no but sa be silo je kanne we are not stupid o time on tamito lale we know all what is going on we know all what is going on we are not stupid And we understand even ila work minister from left ko from Mbaile. Ila work minister from left ko from Mbaile. Just kaba Gambian ko loko development men nyande kala nyilen tardendi. We know all those things. But atulmali along ko sayenteng ibal mutala ibtal kang ibala mol baila abal appoint la they are only appointing you people for a purpose. For a big purpose for that matter. Big purpose. Ibal appoint cannot just for only political gain. Only political gain. Ibal appoint ka wala kama. A momota yake minister right now is only appointing you for the purpose of vote. Only for the purpose of vote, but not for the purpose of development. Any minister may along person borrow appoint science and along is appointing the person only purposely for vote. Look, Musa Drame Milano, there are a lot of land troubles in this country. Land problem will make be carrying Banco Kanjang. But Musa Drame is just because Musa Drame is playing, is dancing with the musical tune. The musical tune of President Barrow. And Musa Drame is one of his political tools. Ahmad Ba is also one of his political tools. So this is why Ibawo Dolu Bulala Jele, Yetara Gambia na fulo kasara kang. Your Excellency, Mr. President. Gambians are not stupid. Gambians are not stupid. If you want change your entire cabinet, we are not going to vote for you. We are not going to vote for you. Never. Gambians are not going to vote for you. Because Gambians knows what is good for them. Bangu dumuli alone mem betate tolto, mam beteto. But Gambian ko lu say alaji be doron say. E ko minister ya position be diar nyameng. Bangu du fele ay bang. akamanta president barola ministère position on tala because sumna kada ate menno abole keleno ala doko be damento asa doko keno woleto guys, these are some of the current issues we have right now. So, very soon, we will organize something special. Very soon. Something special. Because in the Gambia, you clueless people will pull. No. No. Anya jele airport to science center. Airport they call be able the airport to kono science center kono ke. E ko kana another work like in the airport. They are taking another loan for the airport. Gambian ko lu kugil nam problem oti. Be dering be pesa mboro bloka mendiata ayake. Be dering be pesa mboro bloka mendiata ayake. Almasone yala. Namoi ibe yaay kam banko kay ka fa mole ko ha ni loi kuto me ya lonko ya fay nyamo kono iko ha wo loi kuto ni we kenin ke a kenin ke la fudu wala dandi kenin ke kenin ke la fudu ko loi kuto wala dandi kenin ke la fudu kenin ke e ka fa mole ko ha lu akuto nyi ko we kenin ke la fudu wala dandi so these people are not ready to give any reliable information to the Gambians. E be fem for le Gambian ko le ama atakela fendi na man ka Gambian ko da ke ka Gambian ko ko du nyokono kuno be video jibe kan be video jibe kan fonte famo bala fata na bro lay but alila moy musola musol mel ya lonko UDP flako bo lebul ya safe la flako bo NPP e be men kumbo kan ansa mol le man fude ma ke na ke sensitize pour ya understand e ko jiyo e mo la soto man kurango soto e ko man jiyo soto man kurango soto man fen soto wala bulaka UDP la flako ta wala bulaka NPP la to safe UDP la flako bala police now no president baronya ay attention will make to them ka fogo to borona UDP le sound nan So Aliamuel. So muso nyimbe men foka is very simple. Ko ito man development sir President Barrow bulu. Iman fence da bulu. So now the only thing they can do to call the attention of the president prior na ke makoy is to put on UDP. Because President Barrow UDP flag ko yata outrunning. Fa to give. So I think gamen ko nyanda ka understand nako. The only government men se inyakuno men se dogo ke no fisa bidila o UDP lete yem ale muso mo la muso nyem fo guys so ala ha ko bo nyale na camera lo dula nyem mambete bi left I just got one phone call and then we close it there. Sai ito kana men fo musole wala nyindo ko President Barrow ko bo holol ning ñew turam masin wala ani oda stop muso ka men fo muso ko silo muso ko la nyanto silo courant muso nyin karo ke wala so sai to le mon fensoro ne be men fo la muso le ka fo yele ko President Barrow ka silo lu bo holol ani oda stop o ka wala di mol so gamien ko lu better than that is audio me along ko nasoro from them left no ka wala play but I try to look for the audio ma audio nyinje ba fulale ko ala baraka mol mel yalon ko lebe jibe kam fanyo wati assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah